If you like adventures, backpacking, and hiking, then this channel is for you. Come join the adventure, get off the couch, and get outside. Our world has so much beauty in it, and there's so much to explore, so hopefully this motivates you to get outside. I usually post weekly or bi-weekly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get weekly updates and alerts. Buy the merch and support the channel. Today we're going to be hiking Congaree National Park Boardwalk Loop Trail. The trail is 2.4 miles long according to their guide. This national park is located in South Carolina. Thank you everyone. We've hit 2,000 subscribers on the channel and we're just going to keep on climbing from here. We are walking up to the visitor center, and it looks like the National Park Service has a new app that you can download on your phone. Congaree National Park is free to visit, but make sure you come early because it's definitely crowded on weekends. Here we are at the Harry Hampton Visitor Center. This is a very nice visitor center. It has a lot of exhibits about old growth forest. It has a nice store that you can buy a lot of nice things such as patches, books. Flush toilets and restrooms are also available. So this is the map of the boardwalk here. And you can see that it goes around in a square there. You can get two separate brochures, one of the trail map and there's another one that is the self-guided boardwalk tour. You can get these brochures for free outside of the visitor center. The boardwalk loop trail starts right behind the visitor center. Make sure to check the app or the website to see if there is flooding conditions in the area because that may affect your hiking plans. Congaree National Park also has a campground and plenty of other hiking trails in the area. This is a self-guided boardwalk tour. The interpretive guide, there's numbers associated with each stop, and you can see in here they start off with number 1 about the American beech tree, and you can see here it goes all the way up to number 20. Congaree National Park protects the largest remaining tract of old-growth bottomland hardwood forest in North America. We are going to see a multitude of tree species, including bald cypress, loblolly pine, and the palmetto plant. The impressive height of Congaree's forest is a result of the rich soil, frequent flooding, and long growing season. The trees are over 130 feet tall, making Congaree one of the tallest deciduous forests in the world. This tree is gigantic. It's huge. It's probably twice as the size as like a regular tree. Huge pine tree of some sort. Here's an example of what the interpretive numbers look like. They're all along the boardwalk. You can't miss them. This stop talks about the role of fire and loblolly pines and the endangered red-cockaded woodpecker. Congaree National Park is number 12 on the list for least visited national parks. I saw many species of birds along the trail, so if you bring some binoculars, you can see all of them. Historically, the tribes in the area used bald cypress for wood for canoes because it was easy to work with and durable. Before Congaree was a national park, it was actually a national monument designated in 1976. And before that, people like Harry Hampton actually fought for the conservation status of the area. South Carolina is known as the Palmetto State. There are many species of wildlife and champion trees in Congaree National Park. This loblolly pine is over 150 years old. They are the tallest tree species in South Carolina. To give you context, this tree's got to be at least 300 years old. The forest is dominated by water tupelos. You can see the trees are swollen at the base of the trunks. Flooding is a natural occurrence here in Congaree. It is important bringing fresh nutrients into the floodplain. The dark-colored mud in these areas is 8 feet deep. The mud filters water and traps pollution. This area was dedicated as a national park in 2003. The sun came out. Thank you for joining me on this adventure and plenty more to come. Stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.